Take this drink every day for 20 days, see how your body changes. One simple turmeric drink every morning transformed my chronic pain situation in just 3 weeks. Last fall, my knee pain from an old injury made walking difficult. Brain fog affected my work constantly, and inflammation markers on my blood tests worried my doctor. Then a physical therapist suggested this golden drink that seemed too simple to work. The struggle consumed my daily life completely. Limping through grocery stores, forgetting important meetings, and watching my doctor's concerned face as she reviewed my elevated C-reactive protein levels. I tried prescription anti-inflammatories that upset my stomach, expensive supplements that did nothing, and physical therapy that helped minimally. Nothing addressed the root inflammation problem. Here's the exact recipe that changed everything. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and juice from half a lemon mixed in warm water. The specific combination matters critically because each ingredient serves a purpose beyond flavor. The science behind this shocked me initially. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that blocks inflammatory pathways in your body at the cellular level. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food shows curcumin inhibits NF-kappa, the master switch that activates inflammation throughout your system. But curcumin alone absorbs poorly. Black pepper makes the magic happen. Piperin in black pepper increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%, according to studies in Planta Medica. Without black pepper, your body eliminates most curcumin before it reaches your bloodstream. This one ingredient transforms turmeric from mildly helpful to powerfully effective. Timing the drink optimally maximized my results. Empty stomach first thing in morning allowed maximum absorption without food interference. I drank it 30 minutes before breakfast consistently for 20 days straight. Missing even one day seemed to slow my progress noticeably. My knee pain decreased dramatically by day 12. The constant ache that plagued me for months simply faded. By day 20, I walked without limping for the first time in over a year. My physical therapist noticed improved range of motion and less swelling around the joint. Brain fog lifted faster than physical pain improved. By day 8, I stopped forgetting appointments and could focus on complex work tasks again. Research from the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry confirms curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier and reduces brain inflammation that causes cognitive issues. My skin cleared unexpectedly as a bonus effect. Acne that bothered me since my 20s improved significantly. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties work on skin from inside out. The Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology documents curcumin's effectiveness for inflammatory skin conditions. Digestive improvements surprised me completely. Bloating and irregular bowel movements that I considered normal disappeared within 2 weeks. Turmeric stimulates bile production, helping your body digest fats properly. My stomach felt lighter and more comfortable throughout the day. Energy levels stabilized without the afternoon crashes I experience daily. Chronic inflammation drains energy constantly as your immune system fights perceived threats. Reducing inflammation freed up that energy for normal activities. I stopped needing coffee after lunch to stay awake. The anti-inflammatory effects showed in my blood work. My doctor retested my C-reactive protein after 6 weeks of daily turmeric drinks. The level dropped from 4.2 to 1.8, moving from high risk to normal range. She seemed genuinely impressed by the improvement. Preparation method matters more than I realized. Mixing turmeric in cold water wastes its benefits because curcumin dissolves better in warm liquid. Water temperature between 140 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit extracts compounds optimally without destroying heat-sensitive nutrients. Raw honey adds more than sweetness. Its enzymes and antioxidants complement turmeric's effects while making the drink palatable. Processed honey loses these benefits, so raw unfiltered honey works best. I buy local honey that also helps my seasonal allergies. Lemon juice enhances absorption further while adding vitamin C that supports your immune system. The acidity helps extract more curcumin from the turmeric powder. Fresh lemon juice works better than bottled versions that lose potency. Staining became my biggest practical challenge. Turmeric stains everything it touches permanently. I designated one specific mug for this drink and rinsed it immediately after finishing. Keeping baking soda nearby helped remove stains from counters and fingers.